with the pigtail. Sabi niya, ay naku, papalitan kita. Sinabi niya na challenge siya talaga. I'm going to replace you in 3 months, sabi niya. And guess what? That's what she exactly did. Talagang pinalitan niya. Alam mo ginawa niya? Dahil wala siyang baon, hindi siya kumakain ng lunch, nagpupunta siya sa library. So, she taught herself how to read. She started with the very basic books, hanggang sa puro chapter books na yung binabasa niya, na talagang mga advanced books na. And oh my gosh, she replaced that girl, and guess what? She made history. Siya yung naging, she speaks 7 languages, by the way. She speaks French, Spanish, English, basta marami, Russian. Very fluent siya sa Russian. Ang nangyari, she went to MIT, she went to Harvard, she went to, BYU, doon sa Utah. Naging siya, president ng software, Microsoft, ng Asia. So, nung nagkaroon ng opening sa school ng very short lady. Grabe, ang liit na babae, parang 4'11 lang or something. Super short. Ang payat-payat niya. So, when there was an opening for a new president doon sa school, so they, yung application is from all over the world. So, hindi lang sa Utah. Talagang nagtanggap sila ng application from all over the world. And guess what? So, she applied. She didn't want to apply, pero may nag-encourage sa kanya. And yung last ano tawag dito, interview nila, it was an interview with the audience, with the public. So talagang you just ask away kung anong mga questions mo. Siya yung napili, so siya yung kauna-unahan na minority na, kumbaga hindi American, di ba? Minority na naging president ng school, at siya rin yung kauna-unahang female president of the school. So she made history, yeah. Nag-resign na lang kasi namatay yung asawa niya, but she was the president there for 10 years. So that's what I'm saying, the impact of what you are doing, of what we are doing, di ba? Na maski na, if you can inspire that one child, na maramdaman nila, because this is not just about reading, it's about taking care of that child, it's about telling that child, hey, I am here, that you belong, that you matter, that's, you know, like, you are important in this vast entire world, you know? Kasi karami ng mga bata na, siguro yung mga karamihan ko, parang galing sa mga mahihirap na pamilya, yung mga hindi naasikaso talaga ng mga parents, diba? By the way, ang dami ko na sinabi, my gosh, I just feel so passionate about these things talaga.